Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine, and I'm back here. Today we have the topic about how to create YouTube channel art or YouTube banner for your YouTube channel. So let's take a look on the topic. First you have to open your browser, and here what you have to do is to search on for this website canva.com. You have to search for this website. It is a free designing website. You can design here everything like thumbnails, presentations, posters, stories, Facebook covers, anything you want to design you can here design. So what you have to do is to scroll down for channel art categories. So let's scroll down and see where this is. Here you can see is this category YouTube channel art, and what I have to do is to click on see all options so that I can see all the channel art templates for my channel. Here are tons of templates. You can choose from whichever you like for your channel. So here for example, I will choose any of these channel arts. I will select this one. Just make sure that you select or choose the free one, because here are the paid ones too, and you have to choose the free one so that we can download easily. So here you can see I'm the page of channel art designing page. So here so that I can design here my channel art easily. What you have to do is to give your channel name here, like my channel name is Arman's Knowledge. What I have to do is now here a short description I have to do here, like subscribe my channel. So here now that's it all. If I want to design more, so I have to I have to add these elements. If I want to upload any of my picture for my device, I can do that. I can change this picture as well. So here you can choose any picture you want to. Here I can add the extra text as well, and here the background can be changeable too. So these all are the options, and next what you can do here with it, you can just select it, and here are a lot of options you can see here above. So I have to adjust this one, like I'll decrease the brightness, or just select this one, also increase the brightness, this one, then increase the brightness. You can so change the contrast or saturation and more. So guys, this is the best website you can see here. And now my channel art or YouTube banner has been edited, has been designed. If I want to download now, just if you want to design more, you can just design it extra or more by choosing this option or using these all options. So here for instance I am here okay with this with this channel art. So here now I want to download this. Just click on download option, and here you can download easily. Just click on this and your channel art will start downloading. So guys, I hope you people enjoyed this video. If people you enjoyed this and this video helped you, please consider subscribing my channel, and also make sure to press the bell icon for upcoming updates. I hope you all got this video. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.